Hello, welcome to my Slow English podcast. Today I will talk about a book I recently read, and you will practice English with me. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen carefully. Pause the video if you need to. Repeat out loud and answer the questions in the comments below. Let's begin. First, let me ask you something. Have you ever worked really hard and still felt worried about money? Have you ever felt that money comes easily to others but not to you? Today, I want to talk about a book that helps people understand why they think the way they think about money and how they can change that. The book is called The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harvecker. This book is not only about becoming rich. This book is about understanding how our thoughts, beliefs, and habits affect our financial life. Harv Eker explains that everyone has a money blueprint. A money blueprint is the set of beliefs you have about money. These beliefs come from your childhood, your parents, your culture, your experience, and also your background. Most people never question these beliefs. They just live with them. This book helps you how to identify these beliefs and how to change them. One of the most important ideas about this book is the concept of the money blueprint. Let me explain this in a simple way. Your money blueprint controls how much money you earn, how much you save, and how much you spend. For example, if deep inside you believe that money is bad or that rich people are selfish, you may unconsciously push money away. Even if you earn more, you may feel guilty for having it. You may spend it quickly or you may lose it. And the book helps you become aware of this. Harv Eker explains that many of the money beliefs are learned when we are children. For example, maybe you heard when you were a kid phrases like money doesn't grow on trees. We can't afford that. People like us don't get rich, or rich people are greedy. And when we hear these phrases many times, we accept them as truth. The book teaches that these ideas are not facts, they are learned beliefs that can be unlearned. One powerful part of the book is learning how to change negative thoughts about money. Harv Eker explains that we can't change our results if we don't change our thinking. And that is why he talks about affirmations in the book. An affirmation is an affirmative sentence that you repeat and repeat to yourself to train your mind. For example, I am good with money. I deserve to be financially successful. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. He says that at first, these affirmations may feel strange, but with the repetition, they will help reprogram your mind. Because he says in the book that the mind believes everything you tell it repeatedly. And if you repeat negative thoughts, your actions follow those negative thoughts. But if you repeat positive affirmations, your actions slowly change. He says that it is not magic. He says that it is training your brain to think in a new way. Another important lesson of this book is about identifying your skills. Harv Eker explains that financial success is connected to the value that you provide or you bring to others. The book encourages people to think and ask themselves, what am I good at? What skills do I have? And how can I help others with my skills? Because when you use your skills to solve problems or help others, money comes as a result of service. And this idea changes the way people see money. Money is not something bad or something greedy. It is a result of value. The book teaches that successful people focus on contribution, so they ask all the time, how can I add value? When you help others, teach others, serve others, money comes naturally. Money flows naturally. Now I want to ask you some questions. What beliefs do you have about money? Do those beliefs help you or limit you? What skills do you have that could help other people? I found this book important because it helps people understand that financial success starts inside. It teaches mindset, awareness, habits, and responsibility. It doesn't promises easy money, but it teaches long-term thinking and personal growth. Thank you for practicing English with me today. I hope this video helps you practice your listening, learn new vocabulary, and reflect on important ideas. See ya!